Between the clinical isolation of a therapist office and the performative noise of social media, there is a massive gap in how we process our feelings. Standard journaling often fails to bridge this gap. Staring at a blank page creates its own anxiety, leading us to write into a void or slip into an emotional autopilot that catalogs events without examining them. DunbarrioSolo occupies that middle ground. It is a private, digital quiet room designed to help you practice the skills of being in a relationship. Before you can connect with anyone else in the real world, you must first learn how to accurately confront your own raw emotional state. The practice begins with a forced choice. Instead of a blank page, you must select your exact current mood using Plutchik's model of emotions. This is the mood dial. By requiring a specific selection and resetting every time, the system breaks the habit of emotional autopilot. This trains a skill called emotional granularity. Research shows that the ability to make fine-grained distinctions between feelings measurably improves your capacity to regulate them. Identifying the type of emotion is only half the process. We also need to measure its intensity. This is the Energizer. By physically holding your thumb on the screen to charge the message, the app records the depth of your physical engagement. Combining a precise emotional label with a physical energy metric transforms a fleeting feeling into a trackable 2D data point. But how do you express this raw emotion to the person it actually involves without the risk of an immediate real-world fallout? You write what the app calls an embrace. It is a short entry explicitly addressed to a specific named person in your life. James Pennebaker's research on expressive writing proves that directing your thoughts to a specific target yields deeper benefits than writing into a void. The app uses a cast of mascots to act as a psychological buffer for these directed messages. These serve as adult transitional objects, a concept from Donald Winnicott describing objects that bridge internal and external reality. Delivering a message to a proxy establishes the holding environment necessary for total emotional honesty. After every embrace, the AI returns a brief response in the voice of the chosen mascot. The AI is strictly constrained. It receives and acknowledges the emotion, but it refuses to give advice or act as a therapist. As individual connections accumulate, the system begins to map your entire social network. Users organize relationships into tiered circles that mirror the cognitive limits for intimacy identified by Robin Dunbar. The ledger tracks exactly where you are investing your emotional energy across these tiers. Making this invisible care visible through the activity map heat map helps prevent relationships from silently deteriorating. Tracking where care actually flows reveals the genuine architecture of your real-world connections. A pattern emerges when you connect these micro-interactions, moods, energy, and social distribution over time. Every Monday, users manually generate the weekly weave. It is an AI synthesis of the previous week's patterns. The weave delivery provides an archetype for the week, identifies silent absences in your circles, and offers a growth edge. This growth edge is behaviorally specific and honest, avoiding the hollow positivity common in digital wellness tools. It transforms scattered daily entries into a unified, longitudinal map of self-awareness. The destination of this solo practice is communal readiness. Once a relationship reaches a threshold of mutual investment, the circle can vote to transition from product practice into shared democratic governance. This unlock introduces features like repair mode, an AI-mediated conflict resolution system based on the Gottman method. Technology, when aligned with human psychology, can support rather than replace our relationships. This app is the preparation space. It is a quiet room where we practice the skills required for real connection. It gives us the tools to finally be present